Hello guys, how are you? Travis here, alongside Samantha. Again, if anyone wants to adopt her, just comment right below.
Hey! You little fish.
Anywho, it is Munchpak time.
I'm serious, fishy. You're a fish goof. You're a fish goof.
It's my favorite time of month.
You're a fish goof.
Okay. Shout out to Roxanne again. Holy moly, guacamole.
There's no stuff
For making this Munchpak possible. Alright, let's start off with something safe. Chips, that's always a good start. Crispy wow, that's amazing. If you can pronounce that, please tell me what that means.
Ice cream.
This might be Iranian. I'll look at that later.
So here's the ice cream cone. Here is the ice cream. The cone.
They smell pretty good too. Focus. Okay.
The cone, in the cone, in the cone, and the cone.
One? You want some chips?
No, thank you.
Okay. Let's show the camera first.
I did! I did that.
Well, let me see. Turkey. Okay. Surprise Choco Cornet dips. She just likes it because there's a toy in here, I think.
Let's try it.
This looks familiar.
Let me open.
Sit, please.
Okay, she obviously knows how to open a package. What do we got?
Ice cream cone.
Ooh.
Ice cream.
What's that?
I have no idea. I think it's some kind of a toy. It looks pretty good.
We have to try the chocolate.
The cone's a little bit dry, but not bad. Want some?
First I have to get this dippy thing.
Let's move on to the next thing while she's doing that.
Hey, don't put my ice cream cone.
Okay.
You open this.
Kalbi Jagabi. Butter soy sauce. Ooh, soy sauce. Hell yeah. I don't even have to read the rest. I'm gonna say Chinese.
Serious? Not Chinese
look,
chips.
there's a little tab right there. It's idiot proof. Look at that. Look at that. Our cameraman is throwing things at the camera. I hope you guys have 3D TVs because you're putting it to good use right there. By the way, if you guys haven't seen our Vegas vlog yet, that is out. Please enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. It's a 4K resolution video. Look at this. It looks like a French fry. Like a McDonald's French fry.
Oh, that's cool.
Let me have one. Let me have one. Let me have one, please. Please.
Ooh. That's a favorite so far.
Ooh, I don't like these ones. I don't like the chips right. So.
Okay, this one scares me a little.
Not that scared.
Original Goralki. No idea. I hope it is not coconut. I hate coconut.
Lemon.
Me too, actually. Hope it's not coconut. If it smells funny, I'm giving it to Salma.
Hey!
Whoa, this is weird. It looks like a lasagna.
Wow.
And it looks like a bed.
It does look like a bed. Like a Tempur-Pedic.
It looks like
Crumbs.
like an octopus. tastes like coconut or lemon.
I think it's coconut milk, which I think I've had before and I was okay with. So,
We save that for later when we're done.
not bad at all.
I can eat this when I'm done.
Okay.
Well, we're done.
What
I
kind of
can
corn
eat
did you
this.
get?
We can eat it. I can eat this when I'm done.
Look, we got our jellyfish.
I'm getting another.
Okay, pick something salty.
No.
Yeah, just something salty or sweet, whatever works.
Gummy.
Gummies, all right, cool. Let me see the name. Hold on. A cuckoo. That's literally what it says. A cuckoo.
No, it says gummy, other study,
Apparently she can read
Animal?
gibberish.
cuckoo ears.
I'm kind of scared though. I don't know what flavor it is if I can't read the language.
Ah.
Okay, let me open it. Okay,
Open
this
it
one
like
is
a monkey.
this one is not idiot proof. Again, if anybody wants to adopt, you can't. I can't.
I can't. Ugh, let me open.
I don't know. I don't get it. What do we got?
I'm gonna try.
Oh, they're different colors. Give me an orange. I want an orange one, please. Thank you. Orange is a safe bet.
I got a red.
Oh, you turkey.
I got a bear. I'm gonna eat the bear's hair.
It's
ear.
squishy. What the hector is this?
It tastes like strawberry.
It's good?
Yeah, it tastes like strawberry.
It feels like a silicone breast.
Let's try another one.
Here.
Thank you.
Okay. Ooh,
Don't taste like orange.
I gotta try a red one now.
That's like a strawberry.
Wait, is this red? Okay, that's actually kind of freaky.
Oh, this is not strawberry. This is peach pun.
Peaches, okay. Let's do something salty.
Let me choose another flavor. Oh.
Not one word in English. But it's a granola bar. Looks like it's got peanuts, cashews, hazelnut. It could be hazelnut. Or I could just open the dang thing and try it.
No, it tastes good.
Looks like it might have some chocolate on the bottom too. Yo, that's cool. Hold on. Holy carne! Holy shit!
What? Let me try.
Oh, you're gonna break your teeth on that one. Holy crap!
Oh, yeah. They're really hard. Ow.
I know. That nationality must not have teeth.
We have to.
Okay, that was a fail. Babalo nuts.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Sweet, they're flavored. Peach, cherry, and lemon. Dude, hell yeah. I got it, I got it. Oh, wait, there's an idiot-proof lid. Alright. Roxanne, you have saved my life. Thank you.
Hi. Oh, there's a marshmallow up there. Cool.
Might need a dentist after that last granola bar, but... Okay, it doesn't smell like anything, so I can't tell what flavor it is. Okay.
Okay, so I have this.
Ooh. Cherry.
Ta-da! Look it. I have these.
Ooh, wait. Lemon? Oh. Very interesting. Hold on a minute. Hold on. All different flavors going on at once.
There's lots of flavors first. Chocolate bun.
Pretty much. Pain or croissant. Chocolate.
No, it's chocolate bun.
Okay, it's a chocolate bun.
Okay, now I'm going to have them.
Hang on, let me break it in half.
Oh, I got it.
Because the chocolate is probably in the middle.
So make the chocolate sweetheart. Bite. It's good?
Okay,
Oh,
I'm gonna
it's got
go.
Give her a piece.
Yo, yes.
I'm going to get this piece with chocolate there.
Ooh. It's almost like a dark chocolate. Would be a dark chocolate flavor.
It does taste good.
Dark chocolate is healthy for you.
No,
Let's
it's
not
not.
forget that.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
And it helps with memory loss.
No, it's
Have
not.
up, forward, up, wherever.
Oh, Ablita Nor. Chocolate sticks. I think this might be a Mexican brand. I'm not entirely sure. Sweet, they're individually wrapped. Or not wrapped, but... Oh, look at that. Look what I can do. I create magic.
She looks like Dad and Mom. It looks like a Dad and Mom. Here it is. Chocolate. I don't know. Chocolate thing. I don't know.
Chocolate thing.
Okay, you check it out. What is this? Because I
Not bad.
can't read.
It's like a chocolate coffee.
Oh. Yes.
What?
Sorry. My mother taught me not to chew with my mouth open. Sweet. G's Jaffa Orange. Orange flavored fondant covered in dark chocolate.
I love dark chocolate.
Naturally flavored.
I love it.
And part of a balanced breakfast. Made in Scotland. Alright.
It's gonna be good. And I know it's going to taste like chocolate cocoa. It's warm. It's warm like cocoa chocolate.
Available for adoption.
Coffee like it's warm when you get sick or hootie uppy booty.
That's weird. It's got like a coconut layer.
Ew.
It's not coconut, but it just looks like that, the texture.
Hey,
Cheers.
give me a cheers, stutter.
Mmm.
No. Okay.
Hi.
Mmm.
Really good.
Mmm.
Oh.
Can't please Mom.
Well, the inside, the sticky thing tastes like banana.
It's orange, dude.
No, it tastes like banana.
Oh my god.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't seen our Vegas vlog, please do so. Check it out. I appreciate it. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed. I know I did. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Peace.
Oh, the banana!